Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone Off-Road's Bedside MOLLE panels for Toyota's 2016 to current Tacoma. Step 1. Begin by assembling the panels by placing the included rubber gasket over the larger inner tab. Next, secure the two panels together with the two included bolts, washers, and nuts with a 10mm socket and 4mm Allen key. Step 2. Unclip your trail rail stopper and insert the three included T-nuts into it. Note, the driver's side and passenger side installed differently depending on the options your vehicle came with. If you purchase the passenger side, with a T30 Torx bit, remove the first and third bolt from the bed accessory panel. Retain these bolts as they will be reused in the next step. If you purchase the driver's side, and your vehicle came with a secondary accessory panel, repeat the previous step. If you own a 6-foot bed with a T30 Torx bit, you'll need to remove the top bolt from the tie-down point located on each side near the cab. Retain these bolts as they will be reused in the next step. If you have no second accessory panel, then hold the MOLLE panel up to the bed. Mark the locations of the lower tabs onto the wall. With a 23/64 drill bit, carefully drill these points. With a nutsert tool, install the included nutserts into these holes. Step 3. Begin installing the panels. Hold the panels up to the bed and align the T-nuts to the brackets. With the included M12 bolts, washers, and a 19mm socket, secure the panel to the T-nuts. Finally, with two T30 Torx bolts, secure the remaining brackets to the bed accessory panel or nutserts. And you're done.